Hello, good evening, everyone. So, today, what we are going to learn is we are going to look at the key concepts of Salesforce. Okay, so what are the key concepts? Basic concepts that we are going to learn today is cloud or cloud computing, and what is software as a service or SaaS. Okay, so when we talk about the cloud, what basically the cloud is, we are going to look into that concept first. Okay, so let's move further. So the key concept, what is cloud? When we say, this is one of the most used terminology in Salesforce or in the cloud industry. What is cloud? So when we say what is cloud, it is basically the loose federation of features that help you accomplish certain types of activities, such as selling products or supporting your customers. So what what it means is, when we are doing any sort of business like selling the product, okay, we need the specific sort of features available to sell the product, like what do the sales representative requires for selling the product, how they will generate the leads, what they will exactly do to the leads to convert the sale into the customers. Okay, and similarly, when we are supporting any existing client who have already taken the product or the service, so for those customers, if we need to provide this service or the after sales service, what exactly features do we require to support them? Okay, so in Salesforce, the basic types of clouds that we are having is service cloud and sales cloud. So sales cloud is basically used to do the all the features that needs to create the sale, and service cloud has the features that helps the service representative or the companies to help their existing customers. Okay, so this is what the cloud is, and look into the next topic, that is cloud computing. Okay, what is cloud computing? So the cloud computing is, it is basically the technology. The cloud computing is basically the technology that enables internet-based services that lets you sign up and log in through a browser. Okay, so Salesforce delivers its service in the cloud. Other familiar cloud computing services include Google Apps and Amazon are the key competitors to Salesforce. Okay, so the Google Apps provide services such as Gmail. Okay, so you are having Outlook sort of features. You can send the mail, you can create the mail, you can draft the mail into the browser, and you can send it through to any user or the email address that you are having. So that's the Google out of the box cloud computing service. Okay, similarly, Amazon is having the cloud computing service. Amazon Web Services has multiple cloud computing service, like it has uh, server, it has database services. Okay, so Amazon Web Services has multiple cloud computing service, and the cloud computing is basically something that enables you or allows you to connect to a software without downloading it, or use the software without downloading it. So that's the cloud computing. Now let's look into the next topic, that is software as a service. Okay, so the software as a service is basically the software delivered by not through traditional means, that is like this in when in the traditional days or the old days, the softwares were delivered through the disk. It was installed on the CD disk or the floppy disk, or it was installed or downloaded from the web and used on the system or the laptop or the mobile or any sort of device. But in cloud computing, the softwares are basically used through internet browser. So that is cloud as the software as a service. Okay, that's called the software as a service. So in a SaaS based or a software as a service based applications, there is nothing to download or install. There is nothing to download or install, and all the updates are automatically provided. You don't need to manually do the updates. The company or the system or the organization which is taking care of the software as a service, they will be taking care of the updates, and once this update is available, you log into the software, automatically all the updates will be available to you. So that's the software as a service. So these three topics which we have just seen, the cloud computing, and the software as a service, are very key concepts of Salesforce, and these concepts and the terms will be used throughout your Salesforce journey. So thank you guys. If you have liked our video, please hit that like button, and please do share and subscribe this video to receive the regular updates. Thank you for watching.